We are located in Troy, in the suburbs of Detroit, and the objective is to gain business for NAFTA for our plant that's in Mexico, Silao. And so far we've been in operation for about 5 years now, and these have been very good 5 years. We gained a lot of business for Mexico and also for China. And we're quite instrumental having a unique proposition that we bring to the customers. We have a structure which is global cooperation in the team, and with this cooperation we are able to optimize our costs of development. So on one side we are able to provide quick support to the customers, which is a very basic need in North America. We all know customers are very needy and they want you to be there all the time for them. So we do fulfill that need, and at the same time we are able to coordinate this work globally. So we don't work exclusively that we will be working directly with R&D. For particular projects, one activity may be done in Mexico, the other one in China, and then the third one may be done in Austria. So we work truly in a global way. So ZKW has been growing very rapidly. We have grown very rapidly over the years, and this is not stopping anymore. We posted almost 1.6 billion last year, going all the way to 2.3, even more. So it's a very rapid pace. There is a lot of development going on with new plants and expansion in capacity. Mexico continues to be strategic for North America. It's a zone where more growth is possible. Business is good, and for that reason we are expanding into the phase 2 of our plant in Mexico, which we started only in 2014 for groundbreaking. So it has grown very rapidly. Asia Pacific also seems to be another area of reasonable growth, but of course you don't see same margins as you see in North America. So I believe for the future growth in the industry, we have to focus on North America to have good business. And the new thing that has come up is that we are now within the LG family now into the rear lighting business also. And with this we started some initiatives in Slovakia earlier, and this will certainly come to America very soon, and this will help us start sourcing global programs with our customers. So we'll have the front as well as the rear lighting together. LG's cooperation with us brings a lot of new things and items that we can leverage on. For example, next slide, which is part of LG Innotech, is very popular in the United States, and us being sister companies would definitely have a big advantage there. And LG is already into materials, LEDs of the sort. Their electronics is superb, and in the coming years we would like to leverage all these areas and find synergies to be more competitive and be a dominant player in the NAFTA market. Up till now, I have not really seen a major impact to this. Our customers continue to ask us to source from Mexico. However, There has been a little shift in the last 2 years. There are certain incentives offered in the US, and customers have asked for a presence in North America. We do believe, based on the business needs, if we have to go in this direction, we will not hesitate. You know that LG already has a big presence here, so it's just a matter of getting the right business case and then making the right investments for the customers. If there is any major interest, this can be easily achieved. A lot of companies today are the ones that are not very well established are doing selective assembly. They are not producing everything from scratch. So they are kind of optimizing ways to make a US production lucrative too. And I think we can also do that, but it just depends on the business case. So we have always been a participant in CES for the last 2 years. We have been here. We had a significant presence last year. We were demonstrating the ADB technology by different means. This year we scaled down a little bit. It's primarily because the technology is not changing rapidly year over year. But there is more to show if you have about a 2 years gap to come out with some differentiation. However, we are exhibiting our pixel light solutions, some new treatments, stylistic treatments for materials to change metallization on this. We are showing certain lamps where we have very large size lamps, one of the biggest in the industry. We are showing very long length light guides, which are difficult to produce, especially in materials that are non-acrylic in nature. And we have some solutions for micro optics, which can be a replacement for diffused materials which are not legal in US. So all these things we are trying to show. We know that there is a big involvement with the OEMs of United States with LG on the side of electronics and other services. So as a part of the LG team, we are able to also demonstrate this new endeavor that we have taken with LG. So it kind of shows that now LG also has the presence on the exterior side of the vehicle. They were already on the interiors with batteries and other systems. So now they have the presence on the exterior too.